First, go to www.7unlocker.com. Log in to your 7Unlocker account. Click on Place an Order, select Remote Service from the service options. In the search bar, type HalabTech. Find and select the link to the file you want from HalabTech, then paste the link. Click Place an Order. After a few hours, check your 7Unlocker account. You will see that the link to the file you requested has been successfully. Click on the file link provided. Copy the link and open it in your browser. Finally, you can successfully download the file you wanted to your computer. Thank you for using 7Unlocker.